Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sam here, and today I'm going to be talking about the Urban Decay Backtalk Palette. Before we get into it, don't forget to like and subscribe. So this is the palette. It has a beautiful mauve and pink kind of wavy design. Kind of reminds me of like sand and the desert. So they have created this palette inspired by their Vice lipstick Backtalk, which I'm wearing today, and I have to say this lipstick has matched perfectly with every look that I've created with this palette. So the palette contains an eye and a cheek palette, so it's basically two palettes in one sleek palette. This is the thickness of the side. Considering it contains 12 eye and cheek shadows, it's not that bad. The tones of this palette are like mauves and berries and rose. So here is the eye palette, and there's 8 shadows, and then on the other side you have the cheek palettes. I'm trying to be very careful because my palette actually came with the broken highlighter, so I kind of like pat it back in, so it's working for now, but I just got to be careful. And here are the 3 blush shades and then 1 highlighter. It also comes with this removable mirror. So it's the mirror is double-sided, and it acts as a divider between the two palettes. Okay, so the eyeshadows come in a mix of 3 finishes: matte, satin, and metallic. So the mattes are fairly pigmented, they blend really well, and they have a soft texture. So the mattes, we have Backtalk and WTF. These 2 are great transition shades, and then the other matte is 3 sheets, which I just usually use that for like setting my lid or my brow bone. Then you have the metallics there, which are like semi-opaque, but they can be builded. I prefer to use a wet brush to apply those, and that is Bare, Curve, and Attitude. Curve, it's not that metallic, it's more like a frosty finish, but it looks really pretty on the lid. And Attitude is a gorgeous like red coppery shade. Then you have the satins, which my favorite shade is this fuchsia shade right here. It's actually called Shade. And that's what I'm wearing on my lids today. It looks good on the lids and the crease, but I just find in the crease it just fades a little bit faster than on the lids. And to get the most pigmentation, I apply it with my fingers. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch the eyeshadows for you. So first we have 3 sheets, which is a pale pink nude matte, Bare, which is a light pinky peach satin, Curve, a metallic rose shimmer with silver glitter, Backtalk, just soft rosy mauve matte, Shade, deep fuchsia satin, Attitude, metallic red copper, WTF, which is a reddish brown matte, then 180, which is a metallic brown red. Then we have the Afterglow 8-Hour powder blushes, which are amazing. I really love this shade, Cheap Shot. I don't have much colors of this shade in my collection, so I really like it. I'm also wearing it today. It's like a purple pinkish shade. It goes on really pigmented, as most of them do, but they can be shared out to like a semi-opaque finish. Double Take is more like up my alley, my typical mauve blush. Then you have Low Key. It's like a pinkish peach, and it has like a sheen to it, so it gives you like a luminous glow. You can even use it as a blush topper. Then we have Party Foul, which is the highlighter. Honestly, just looking at it, I thought it would be really light on me, but it's actually really pretty. It's pigmented, and it has like an intense metallic sheen. Also wearing it today. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch the blushes for you. So first we have Cheap Shot, which is a medium pink nude. Double Take, it's a mauve with a slight shimmer. Low Key, which is a pink peach. And then Party Foul, which is a light pink nude shimmer. So overall, I'm very pleased with the quality of the Backtalk palette. The monochromatic shades are like very light and fresh, perfect for spring looks. Today I went with a more colorful look, but you can also tone it down for like an everyday look, or you can like deepen up your crease with the dark brown shade to give a more sultry look. I love the concept of having the coordinating shadows and blushes in one sleek palette, you know, making it perfect for travel. And if you have the lipstick, it's also a bonus because, like I said, it goes with every look that I've created with the palette. So yeah, I'm loving this palette so far. It retails for $46 US and $59 Canadian, and it's only exclusive to Sephora and Urban Decay. So if you guys like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.